Think your toolbox has everything? Think again. Today, we're counting down 10 amazing and useful hand tools that make repairs faster, DIY projects easier, and everyday tasks more efficient. Stick around until the end. You might discover your next favorite tool. Gardening becomes much easier when you have the right tool in your hands. These professional pruning shears are designed to make trimming faster, smoother, and more comfortable. Featuring an ultra-sharp titanium blade, they deliver clean cuts through branches, stems, and plants with less effort. The ergonomic handle helps reduce hand strain, making longer gardening sessions more enjoyable. Whether you're shaping flowers, removing unwanted growth, or maintaining shrubs and trees, these compact garden clippers give you the precision and control needed for a healthier-looking garden. Why own separate tools when one compact kit can handle so many everyday repairs? This cordless drill set comes packed with essential tools for home projects, furniture assembly, and quick fixes around the house. The lightweight drill design makes it easy to control, while the included accessories help tackle different tasks without constantly searching for the right tool. From hanging shelves and assembling furniture to simple DIY projects, this all-in-one kit is a convenient choice for beginners and homeowners who want a reliable setup ready whenever they need it. Big jobs aren't always the problem. Sometimes it's the tiny spaces that make repairs difficult. These mini water pump pliers are designed for tight areas where standard tools simply don't fit. The compact size makes them easy to carry, while the adjustable groove design provides a secure grip on different shapes and sizes. Built with durable alloy steel and a push-lock adjustment system, they are perfect for plumbing fixes, maintenance tasks, and everyday repairs. Small enough for your toolbox or pocket, but powerful enough to handle real work. A small tool can make a huge difference when you're working outdoors. This heavy-duty folding saw is built for fast, reliable cutting through wood, branches, and tough outdoor materials. Its extra-long 11-inch blade provides more cutting power with each stroke, while the hardened SK5 steel teeth are designed for durability and smooth performance. The foldable design makes it easy to pack into a backpack, toolbox, or camping gear without taking up much space. Whether you're trimming trees, preparing firewood, exploring the outdoors, or handling backyard projects, this portable saw delivers the strength and convenience you need whenever a cutting task appears. Still using a manual screwdriver for every small repair? This compact electric screwdriver makes everyday tasks faster and easier. Designed for quick household fixes, it provides powered assistance for assembling furniture, tightening screws, and handling common DIY projects. The built-in LED light helps illuminate dark areas, while the comfortable grip makes it easy to use for longer periods. With multiple bits included and organized storage, this handy tool keeps everything you need in one place for simple repairs around your home. Electrical projects become much easier when you have a multi-function tool built for the job. This professional wire stripper combines cutting, stripping, and crimping functions into one convenient design. It helps prepare wires quickly and efficiently for repairs, installations, and DIY electrical work. The comfortable handle provides better control, while the durable construction is designed for repeated use. Whether you're working on cables, connections, or basic wiring tasks, this versatile hand tool helps make electrical jobs more organized and precise. Some projects require more flexibility than a traditional screwdriver can offer. This rechargeable screwdriver features a pivoting head design that adapts to different working angles, helping you reach areas that are difficult with standard tools. With adjustable torque settings and a rechargeable battery, it provides better control for everything from furniture assembly to everyday repairs. The included bit set and carrying case keep accessories organized, making it a convenient tool for DIY enthusiasts and homeowners who want speed and versatility. If you've ever dropped a screw in the middle of a project, you know how quickly a simple repair can become frustrating. This magnetic wristband keeps screws, nails, drill bits, and other small metal parts securely attached to your wrist, so they're always within easy reach. The powerful built-in magnets hold everything firmly in place, letting you work faster without constantly searching through pockets or climbing down ladders for missing hardware. Its lightweight, adjustable design stays comfortable throughout long projects, Whether you're tackling home repairs, woodworking, construction, or DIY tasks, it's one of those simple tools that instantly makes every project smoother, faster, and far less frustrating. Big tools aren't always the most useful. Sometimes the smallest gadget is the one you reach for every day. This compact folding pocket knife is designed to fit right on your keychain, giving you a convenient cutting tool that's always within reach. The sharp 1.34-inch blade is perfect for opening packages, cutting rope, trimming zip ties, and handling countless everyday tasks, while the folding design keeps it safe and easy to carry. Lightweight yet durable, it's an ideal addition to your everyday carry gear, toolbox, or travel kit. Whether you're at work, outdoors, or simply tackling daily chores, this mini pocket knife delivers practical convenience in a surprisingly compact package. Why fill your workspace with bulky tools when one compact device can do so much? This mini cordless rotary tool is built for creators, DIY enthusiasts, and hobbyists who need precision without sacrificing portability. With 5 adjustable speed settings from 5,000 to 18,000 revolutions per minute, it easily handles engraving, carving, sanding, polishing, drilling, grinding, and detailed finishing work. The built-in LED light brightens hard-to-see areas for greater accuracy, while the rechargeable USB-C battery gives you complete freedom to work anywhere without cords. Packed with 69 accessories and a convenient storage case, this all-in-one kit is ready for 3D printing projects, crafts, model making, jewelry work, and countless creative DIY tasks right out of the box. And that's our list of the smartest tools and gadgets you can add to your collection. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing tools, gadgets, and innovative finds. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.